Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is your project. We are use two sensor, one IR sensor and MQ6 gas sensor, and use IC LM324 of M IC, two potentiometer, one regulator 7805, and one polarity capacitor, three indicator, and one transistor, two resistor. This is objective sensor. This use ধরে কি করা যায়।